So hello and welcome back to another Geek Panda Tech unboxing video. So today we have something a little bit different, and this is the VegeBox LED planter. So I actually have a VegeBox already, but I have the bigger model to this, and I'm currently growing a crop of strawberries in there. So quickly, let's show you around the box. So on the back we have a little explanation. So home gardening, seedlings normally harvest in 25 days efficiently. It's conscious and sustainable. It's for various different herbs and salad vegetables. It features a full spectrum special LED. There's a smart control system, and this is a hydroponic system, so you grow without soil. So without further ado, let's get into the box. So here we have the LED itself. So you see all of those little LEDs in there. This box. So in here we have the nutrient solution that is required. So nutrient A and nutrient B. A little power adapter. VegeBox guide, and the base. So let's get the box out of the way. So the base features one big hole and 8 more smaller holes. And this is the UK adapter. I'm glad that it's not an adapter for the European plug there, but a British nice 3-pin plug. And this will be your bag of accessories. So we have a seedling tray there, and you get your little sponges to put all your seeds in, and a little tray to fill it with some water. Then you have the actual pots themselves. These are where you put the sponges, so you put the sponge in there, then you would place it into here itself. This is a reducer for that big hole. Let's just empty out this. You also get some tweezers to pull out your seeds, to place them into the sponge. Let's get all of those out there, and a little measuring cup there to measure out your nutrients to place into the bottom here. So the bigger model of this also comes with, it's pretty much the same, it's a lot bigger though, and it's a big like enclosed system, but you also have a little pump in the bottom that helps circulate the water. Doesn't look like this one has one, but you've obviously got your max fill line there. So let's get this assembled. I should imagine it's pretty easy. So you place that into there, lock it in there, that's nice, you can feel it lock in. Now the light can tilt, as you can see there, can just tilt as much as you want. So if the plants start to get a bit high, you can just tilt it up a bit higher there. We'll place the base in like so. And that's pretty much it. So this is the VegeBox. This is the smaller VegeBox. And we're back again now. So I've just plugged it in. Gonna touch the button there to turn it on, and as you can see, the LED light comes on and lights up our base. So what you would do is you would take your seedlings, you would fill this up with water just so it's covering the base of the dome inside there, just so it's covering the seed at the bottom. You'd then place all those into there, and you'd place them underneath the light and let them germinate for, I think it's about 7 days that they'll start to sprout. And then you would take out your little sponge from here, place it into one of these cups, like so. That's the wrong way round. Place it in there. In there just like that. And then down into the VegeBox. And then these are used to cover any others that you don't want, because then that protects the water from getting any kind of algae, and you don't want that. So there you go, that's the VegeBox. So just to show you my big VegeBox, so this is the bigger brother. I've got my strawberries in here. I've got a couple that are a bit older now, so they're at the back, and I've got some new ones that I've just planted a couple of days ago. So these are bare root plants, so you get the plant delivered in this kind of stage where it's got barely any kind of leaves on it, and then they will start sprouting from that. What you do is you leave them to soak for a day. I've chopped the root down there to about 2 inches, placed it inside the cup without the sponge, and yeah, there they are. I haven't had any fruit yet, but I can't imagine it's going to be long now. Before I did the strawberries, I had a lettuce growing, I had a pepper plant growing. The lettuce grew in about 3 weeks, and it was perfectly edible. It was very tasty. I've also had some herbs growing. I've had some dill. So yeah, this is a great bit of kit if you want to grow some fresh herbs for your kitchen, or you want to grow some fruit like strawberries. And it's a great thing to do with the kids, so I do highly recommend the VegeBox. You can buy it from several places in the UK. You can buy it from Amazon, you can buy it from Vitality for Life, which is where I actually purchased mine. So yep, thank you for joining me on today's video. I hope you have a great day, stay safe, and I'll catch you in the next one.